Hi everyone, so this is a video on just building a new bonsai bench. I'll put music on as I cut the wood and build the bench, but when I sit it in place and start putting the trays on, I'll just leave the EMSR on it, so instead of music, because I'll get sick of it. So let's get into it. Here's a video on building the bench and I hope you enjoy it.
With it just being plywood, I'm just going to give it a coat of black gloss just to help protect it for a bit. I will have to change it, but beggars can't be choosers, and this is all I've got, so I'll paint it off camera because you'll not want to see you paint the bench. It'll be like watching paint dry. So I'll be just doing a bit. Paint the bench, Daniel son. Paint the bench. But then we'll come back and have a look once it's done.
So I finished the bench yesterday, got the painting done. A couple hours later it started raining, so it's had a good test for that. So what I'm going to do now is just put it in place and we'll get some trays on it and see what it looks like. Get out the way, you little git. No, the big bastard. Move forward, you'll have squash it. How am I look? Dog, no. I wanted to lift the bench, but when I first done it was too high, because I want the sun to get the back of the trays, because it comes up on the top there in the morning and it's here all day, and that's my way of not having to turn them. After building that bench today, I've started to sort all the trays out a bit. This bench looks bare, because what I've done is, round the corner, I also extended this bench while I was on, so I built a few brackets and extended this bench, because we're running out of space, Scotty. So we've got a few more benches there. I want to build another one up the back there, where that forest group's died. It's been kept too dry because I've been away too much, so that'll go in the bin, in the fire. I'll put that shitty thing in front of the greenhouse and I'll build a new bench up there. Hiya, Howard. Hi, mate. Hi, son. You gonna come and say hi? Say hi. Hi, folks. Hey, ta-da, folks. So that's it for this video. It's been a busy weekend this weekend. I was at work yesterday, which was Saturday, then I come in, put a new electric shower in and that, then I come outside and started painting all the benches. But it's paid off, it looks well. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks. The fucking saw's like me, it's got no teeth. Pack it.